Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. दोस्तों बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल स्टडी विद एंटरटेनमेंट में। सो आज की जो हमारी टॉपिक है वो है कॉन्वर्जेशन। आज हम लोग कॉन्वर्जेशन करने वाले हैं दो लोगों के बीच में। तो कॉन्वर्जेशन के लिए हमारे साथ है हमारे दो गेस्ट सृष्टि एंड स्वेश। एंड हमारा टॉपिक है कॉन्वर्जेशन का, इन विच सब्जेक्ट विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड हैव टू फेस प्रॉब्लम। कौन से सब्जेक्ट में हम विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड पीपल को प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ते हैं। तो बिना देर किए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी वीडियो को।
Hello Suresh.
Hello Srishti, how are you?
I am fine, and what about you?
I am also fine. So, what is our today's topic?
Yeah. So our today's topic is in which subject we get problems. So first of all, I want to ask with you that in which subject you get problems and why?
Actually, I think especially maths and science, these are the common subject. Their visually impaired person face the problem. What do you think about it?
Yeah, I also think same, but little bit I think different. Actually, in maths, I am totally agree with you that we face problem because it's not possible to do everything in our mind to concentrate and to do. But I think about science that I think in physics especially we get problems in the numerical and in the diagrams, okay, but after that we have to learn and we have to understand. So you tell me, in science, where you get problems and why are you saying that I am getting difficulties in science?
Okay, so you are saying math is difficult, but I think different because math is sometimes difficult, not every time, because uh, most of the sums we can easily solve in a mind or a telephone or slate. But in the case of science, especially chemistry, we can't solve the problem because chemistry is a practical subject. Mostly, the questions are situation based and performed in a special science lab, especially chemical problems and other problems. And in physics, there are a no, there are not a normal problems because Mathematical aptitudes are so difficult, and especially diagrams. We can't see the diagrams, but yeah, we follow the diagrams by a braille. So it might be easy sometimes, but not easy every time and everywhere.
Okay, yeah. So, good to know your idea and your knowledge. And one more thing I want to ask you, that what do you think about reasoning? Reasoning, I think it's I mean, it's important subjects in government exam, right? It's plays a main important role in government exam. So, what do you think? We are getting
Uh,
problem in this subject or not?
Actually, reasoning is a very important subject for the government perspective, but I think reasoning is a difficult subject to learn, not to perform, because reasoning, we can easily perform reasoning in a mind and in a trailer frame or a slate. But reasoning is, I think it is easy for the visually impaired people to solve rather than science, I think.
Yeah, I also think because I think that in some cases, reasoning topics are very easy. So we also feel interested to do. But
Yeah,
in the other hand, the difficult topics, we can talk about the diagrams. We can talk about that we have to see the diagrams and then to solve, so it's difficult little bit. And there is also some other topics that are difficult, so the writer has to do for us. So yeah, is there any other subject in your hand that you feel difficult?
yeah, I think in science, especially bio, is also very difficult for us. What do you think?
Yeah, I also think because um, first of all, we have to uh, remind all the names, and we have to recall all the names, and we have to just keep it in our mind. So yeah,
Yeah,
it's not very difficult, but yeah,
yeah,
I think for that person who can't remember much names, or that which is given, which process is given in the book, they can't remember. So for him, for the weak person I am talking about, they are feeling difficult on that. What is your point?
yeah. I also think same. And what do you think about physics?
Physics.
Yeah,
Yeah, physics. So yeah, I also think same that the numerical and the sums are there. So it's very difficult because the which people can see, they can see and then they can solve how their teachers will taught them. Okay, but in our cases, we have to just visualize in our mind, and we can only do in our trailer frames. So how can we do in our trailer frames the big sums and formula and all the things? So for us in mind and in also trailer frame, it's little bit difficult for VIs. So my next question is for you, that
yeah.
in future, this math, physics, you are talking about the biology, reasoning, these kinds of subjects, can these subjects easy for us, or it will be difficult like this only? What do you think?
Actually, I think it will be easier in future because the technology is growing day by day. Especially 5G is also came. So, so we can implement 5G technology in our education. For example, we can implement the 3D model of the any substance and any product to learn the problems and to solve the solutions. And if we talk about maths, we can use a smartphone to solve the problem. But yeah, it we sorry we can easily solve with the smartphone because there are many apps we can use for the maths. I am not talking about calculator. It is still happening. But if we want to learn maths, so we can use many apps in future.
Yeah, your thinking is great. So yeah,
Yeah,
I think the time is going to over. So nice to
yeah,
conversate with you, and I
yeah.
think it is a great discussion between us. So nice to
Okay,
meet you.
okay, have a nice day.
Yeah.
It's really great conversation, you both of, and I enjoy a lot in your conversation. So thank you so much, both of you, Srishti and Swish. You both have lots of knowledge about it, and it's really we have to face so many challenges while solving these problems like maths, reasoning. In reasoning, we all know that so many topics are there in which we don't able to solve. So I think, as you told, that in future it will be easy. So let's see what is going to happen in future. So for now, thank you everyone. And if you like our video, so please like, share, subscribe, and let let us know in comment. So for now, bye.
And guys, if there is any mistake, you can write in comment, or you can update us, because we are also just learning people. So you don't mind, and you can frankly tell our mistakes. Okay. So wait for another video. तब तक के लिए bye bye.